SRA open for reading. Background Builder. Unit 8, Animal Homes.
Hi there! Have you ever wanted to travel around the world so you can see animals in their natural habitat? Well, today's your day. Let's go way south to Antarctica. Brr, it's cold in Antarctica. Okay, let's have a look around, shall we? Oh, look! It's a group of seals lying together over there. You can always find these social animals in groups, and their thick layers of blubber keep them warm in the cold Antarctic temperatures. I wonder what kind of birds live in Antarctica. Oh, penguins. They're a lot like other birds, but just a little different. Their feathers are thick and insulated for the cold weather. They also have wings, but not like other birds. They are more like flippers. Let's see what else we can find. Look, whales. There's an orca. Oh, and a blue whale. Did you know that whales are not fish, but mammals, like you and me? They can hold their breath for long periods of time in the cold water, but still have to come up to the surface for air. Well, I hope you learned a lot today about animals in Antarctica. Join me again on my next adventure. Maybe someplace a little warmer next time.